Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Chandra and I'll be conducting a session on Team Kanban Practitioner at Pune in February. And this video is essentially about an overview of this particular class. As you can see, I have various certifications and various Agile certifications, and I'm also India's second accredited trainer with the Lean Kanban University. Basically, I listed this class about a week or two ago, and I have been getting a lot of queries about what exactly is this class about. What is the Kanban method? What is the Team Kanban certification? What is the process? So I thought that rather than answering all these things individually, I will create a video that can possibly answer some of these questions all at once. So basically, I'm going to talk about a few things. Number one, I'm going to talk about what is Kanban, the method. What is the Team Kanban Practitioner certification all about? What will you do during this certification class? Who can attend? And essentially anything else that might come to my mind. So let's start. The first thing is that what is the Kanban method? Now, if you're aware about the Kanban movement, it has essentially been spearheaded by David Anderson when he published his book called The Kanban in 2004. That is when essentially all of us started listening to him and realized that Kanban can be applied to services, especially software services. The figure behind me essentially tells you about all the different areas that are there in Kanban. So not only are we talking about Kanban boards and Kanban systems, which are the core of Kanban, there are also a lot of other constructs that help you manage any system or any enterprise. So we're talking about feedback loops, we're talking about matrices, we're talking about decision-making systems. Not all of it will be covered as a part of the Team Kanban Practitioner certification. We will focus more on the Kanban board, the feedback loops, and the Kanban system per se. The other topics are more for the advanced certifications that are there. What are those certifications? Well, here they are. What you see on the screen right now is essentially the alternative path to agility. So it starts with the Team Kanban Practitioner, which is a one-day training leading to certification. And then after that you have the Kanban System Design, which is also called KMP1. Then you have the Kanban Management Professional. And if you really want to pursue further down the path of learning Kanban, then you must attend an Enterprise Services Planning class. This particular session, however, is only about the Team Kanban Practitioner certification. This is a one-day class and I'll be talking briefly about it. So, who can attend this class? I think the LKU guys have got it down. They say it in a very poetic fashion that anyone who is bogged down by the questions of what must be done, bogged down by unnecessary work, find it very difficult to prioritize what they're doing, those are the guys who should really be looking at attending a Team Kanban Practitioner certification class. When I think about software, I think that's pretty much every one of us. So yes, number one, managers can attend this class because, well, they are managers. They have the sphere of influence that can help change any system. And number two, the team members must attend because honestly, what can you do without a team member? So yes, anyone is welcome to attend as long as you're doing something that has relevance to an enterprise. What will you do during this training? Good question. Well, first of all, there will be some concepts that need to be covered. In every LKU training, we make a promise that whatever you learn in the class, you should be able to apply it at your workplace starting the next day. We do train you on theory, but we give you enough practical insights for you to start putting up systems at your workplace. They may not be perfect, but they'll be systems all right. We will go over the basic theory, principles, and practices. We will also undergo a simple Kanban simulation while playing a game called FeatureBar. We'll also try to solve some real-life problems by picking up problems that exist in your organizations. And we'll try to see if we are able to identify different workflows, different work item types, and see if we can make things go any better in the future. What will you get out of this training? Well, number one, if you are able to complete all the training exercises and the simulations with me successfully, then at the end of the day, you will be a certified Team Kanban practitioner. You will also get a membership of the Lean Kanban University, and we'll also give you a free ebook, Kanban by David Anderson. This, incidentally, is the Bible of Kanban, and you're getting it as a complimentary offering along with this training. In case you have certifications in the PMI or Scrum Alliance, you can also claim this training as a part of your PDU or SEU requirements. And I believe those were the questions that I got. So if you have any other questions, feel free to drop me an email. My email ID is listed right over here. And if you want to register for this training, the URL is right here. And even if you are thinking about this course or some other trainings or about Kanban in general, do reach out to me and I'll be very happy to connect with you on LinkedIn or just respond to an email. Thank you very much for your time, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.